Viking Performance. Kind of what I'm working on. That's what I'm putting on, taking off the old ones. So here we go. So pretty much what I'm gonna be doing is taking these two off and then bringing these down. I'm gonna come up here and take these off right here. 1, 2, and 3. And these two, and that should come right out. There we go. Alright, well, so far it's working pretty good. And here we go. Perfect. Drives a lot nicer too. Nice. Okay. And that's it. That calls this video. Thanks for watching, guys.